guide us into Jannah.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. So today's video is about Apexel 11-in-1 smartphone lens kit. It costed around about 29 euros, and we are going to unbox it, and then we are going to use it and then see the result if it really does it work. So let's start unboxing. So I just unboxed these cute lenses. Just look the way they are organized and in a very compact small packing. And these are all the lenses, 11 lenses having in this box. So I guess I would probably need most of the time this 140 super wide angle lens, which I really missed in a trip when I was in Füssen, and macro lens for more near objects, to go more near to the objects for a shot, and maybe ND32 lens, and it's having different colors: gray, blue, gray, orange, yellow lenses, fish eye. So let's use them one by one. So it's really easy to mount it on your phone like this. Make the screw tight. And take the lens and screw it on your clip. So it's really easy to mount this lens on your phone, and then you can change these lenses with screwing it out simply from here and mount the other one if you want to. So it's pretty simple and easy. So we are done with unboxing. Let's try them out. So guys, as far as the lenses are concerned, the quality is amazing. The price is really, you can say, cheaper. For almost 30 euros you get 11 different kind of beautiful lenses, and personally I would use two of them a lot: wide lens and macro lens. But I went outside today and I used them, and honestly I would say that I fall in love with these lenses, and actually I really needed them. And some of the lenses like a red and orange filter, like I really don't need them, but still, maybe, I don't know, tell me in the comment box where can I use them. And some of the other lenses which I tried, and I was like I couldn't see the difference. So you guys can tell me in the comment box. And as far as the quality is concerned, I feel like the quality is really good, and it's really easy to mount your lenses on the phone. Really, like once you put the main piece on your phone, it's like attached, and then you just remove your lens and change it on your phone one after another. So I was worried about it, but it's really easy, and yeah, I really like it, and I would really recommend it to you guys. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you think it really helped you, so don't forget to give it a thumb up. And yeah, at the end I just tried to take some photos with macro lenses, so enjoy it, and ciao.
Thank you.